Walking into this space is just wow. There's a huge wow factor. And there's also a reminder of the responsibility that we have. When I think back to the beginning of the project and the campaign, it was scary. We had a lot of work to do. By the end, the curriculum for the graduate program was done, the curriculum for the undergraduate program was redesigned, and the building was finished. We have 4 components to our program. It's an academic program, a clinical program, a research program, and a community service.
Good job.
All of those 4 components combine to let us work through and achieve our mission. Physical environments matter. They matter to the people working in them, studying in them, as well as, especially in our case, the community members who interact with us in them on a daily basis.
Yep.
The generosity from the Augustana Now campaign has resulted in us having a facility that is a beautiful showcase of our program. It means everything. It means everything that donors contributed directly to us to support our mission is humbling and ever so appreciated.